versatile guitars I've ever played. But anyway, this is one of my favorite Tom Petty songs. This is from the Southern Accents album, but then they brought it back on a later tour and played it. And I do a lot of work for a charity called Rock the Dogs, and whenever I do that, this song is one that I always play because it's one of the only Tom Petty songs that has a dog in the title. But it's called Dogs on the Run. Well, we come with what was on our back. Yeah, when the leaves sky's turning black. Yeah, back when the wind was cold and blew them round, and we lay blankets on the ground. Yeah, well, I woke up feeling hungry, looking straight into the sun, and left a cold night on the ground like a dog on a run. And I fell overboard and washed up on the beach. Yeah, let the wave and the sand roll over me. Well, I was held to the home of a young bleached blonde. He said, honey, I discovered ways in life of getting anything you want. Oh, some of us are different. There's just something in our blood. There's no need for explanations. It's just dogs on the run. Say something like, honey, ain't it funny how the crowd gathers around anybody living life without an end? And they'll beg you for an answer, it won't never be enough. There's no way you could ever tell them, it's just dogs on the run. Dogs on the run. Just dogs on the run. Thank you. Thank you, I appreciate it.